Yo boys, new codes in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. In today's video, we'll be going over and actually showing you all the new codes in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. So we are currently quickly skipping through the tutorial. Can we just quickly skip through the tutorial? Okay, yeah, we buy an egg and then we get the thingy-majingy and then we get a pet and we can blow bubbles. Let's go actually collect some coins. Every time we click, you have to walk on the codes. Okay, so you go walk, bang, teleport, and then boom. And then what you want to do right now is like the video, subscribe. If you do want any of these new game passes that they've added into the game, we will be giving away 3 of these exclusives. Okay, 3 of these exclusive the TV. Okay, 3 beta TVs will be given away to you guys so you can actually enjoy the game as it's supposed to be. Make sure you guys comment down below in Bubblegum Infinity, okay? Comment down below Bubblegum Infinity as well as like the video, subscribe. We will be going over and actually redeeming all the new working codes in Bubblegum Simulator right now, guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you didn't already, do that. Comment the secret words, okay? Comment the secret words, okay? The secret words are Bubblegum Infinity. Bubblegum Infinity. These are the secret words that you should comment down below, so you can actually get yourself the exclusive TV, okay? Exclusive TV pet. Also, like the video right now, like and subscribe, guys, because you won't win if you don't like and subscribe. Okay, I'll be double checking every single one of you guys, and we're actually gonna go and redeem all the new working codes in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. With the first one is going to be release code. Okay, this is the first code actually on redeem. It is going to be the release code, and don't miss out on any of these codes throughout the video, because otherwise you won't be getting the crazy rewards in Bubblegum Simulator Infinity. We also have the Easter code. The Easter code, this is going to be upcoming code, so you can't redeem this code right away, but once you actually wait up until the secret event drops, the Easter event, you'll be able to actually redeem yourself this code. It's going to be the Easter code. Why did someone re-upload the game? Do not re-upload games, okay guys? It's very confusing to actually find the right game when you're re-uploading all the other games. And we have the update trailer with some secret codes, okay? Some secret codes. Update 1. So redeem code update 1 as well. It's the update 1 code. Like and subscribe and update 1 code. And we got a secret tester code, guys. Tester code. If you play the game right now, you can redeem the secret tester code with one of these 2 numbers.